Manual clash detection is slow, error-prone, and often requires expensive 3D software that not everyone can access. Teams spend hours merging models, checking clashes, and debating which issues matter. iFieldSmart brings clash detection to the web. No Navisworks, no installs, no technical barriers. Simply upload all trade models to iFieldSmart, select the ones you want to check, and run the AutoClash test. In minutes, you get a complete automated clash report and a 3D model ready for review. View the 3D model directly in your browser. Click any clash to see it visually, explore impacted trades, and track assignments, all online. TradeWise clash lists and analytical reports make coordination faster, smarter, and standardized across the team. What used to take days can now be done in minutes, freeing BIM and coordination teams to focus on resolution instead of repetitive model checking. No more manual screenshots or spreadsheets. iFieldSmart automatically generates a comprehensive clash detection report with AI insights and recommendations, combining visual and textual data to highlight every clash, its category, location, and responsible trade for faster resolution. iFieldSmart Automated Clash Detection. Web-based, intelligent, and built for every team to coordinate faster and build better.